what is Builderall? Anyway, there are 40 different tools to help you make money inside your business, be more professional, get more leads, get more sales with the professional tools that you need. So without further ado, I'm going to do the visual ones. Okay, it's got all the normal capture pages, emails, script writer, calendar. These are the ones I'm going to show you because they're visual. Now, if you're on Zoom, you can actually have any background that you like that are in here, because all you have to do is put the logo in. And basically, if you want this, say this one, all you have to do, I'm not going to do it because it actually takes about 3 minutes to render. All you have to do is you upload your picture, which I usually put the Builderall logo in. Then you see the mock-up, it renders it, puts it there, download, send it to your client. It takes less than 3 minutes. But as I'm on Zoom, it's going to take longer. Okay. Also, you can help people by putting their logos on anything that's in here, as long as you've got the right picture size. You can do anything you like and brand other people. Okay. So that's one of the visual tools I wanted to show you. We also have the lead capture funnels. All these funnels here are inside the Funnel Club itself. There are two different types of Builderall. There's the Funnel Club with everything called Singing or Dancing that's done for you. It's 30 different chatbots. But the premium doesn't have all the tools. That's all. The Funnel Club is extra, but you still get your 100% commissions. So if you want a done for you lead magnet for, say, this one, it's 6 pillars to success as an affiliate. Right. That's what it looks like. All you have to do, I like the look of that one. So you download this to your funnel builder called Cheetah, and it's already there with the free gift in the thank you page. And seriously, it's done for you. Some of these have got the emails already in as well. So Bob's your uncle and Sally's your auntie. It's really, really easy. Also, I like this as well because you can make these for hairdressers, you can do fashion, you can do a garage, you can do anything you like. All you have to do, you can even put a video in, you can just change the words. If you can edit a document, you can edit one of these. So that is the e-magazine. Site Express is the one I wanted because let's have a look at this one. Candy Site. Now, these again are done for you. If you've got a cake shop that you want to, if you've got a local cake shop or somebody who makes cakes at home, you can make them with the testimonials. All you have to do is change the pictures and change the words. And as I said, it's just like doing a Word document, but there are hundreds to choose from. Look how many there are. So there's a restaurant one, pizzeria, bricklayer, credit recovery, photographer, personal trainer. There are quite a few there to choose from, and you can get paid to become a website builder and become an agency. And you could sell one of these for £250 or dollars and get, say, $25 a month hosting, because there is a way to set that up inside Builderall on the checkout itself. So there are quite a few ways to make money with Builderall online by helping other people. Okay. There is also some free training called Rapid Profit Machine. So It's free, it's gone viral, people are getting really good results, they're getting 100% commissions. And that's quite exciting as well, because the training from Solo Ads and Advanced to Facebook and branding yourself, it's all inside here. But that's linked to Builderall as well. So if you're new to Builderall, you will need the training, which is Quick Start Training is there. There are 5 different groups. My favourite is the product launch one, but there's a physical products one, local business, network marketing, or info products. Again, they are training every day. Okay, you can do email marketing. There's the website agency course, which is quite good. Facebook has special trainings from the Magnificent 5. It's all inside here. You can get do your own product, email marketing, how to build a blog look. There are lots of different challenges that you can actually do, and it's all in there. So basically, Builderall has got everything you need to build your own products, build your own funnels, build your own websites. You get 100% commissions, then 30%. So if you're with the Funnel Club, you will get $200, then say 30% after that, which is I think $24. So if you sell 10, you get $2,000 in the first month and 240 recurring. But if you do 10 every month, that's 2,000 a month recurring, but you accumulate that 240 times 2 times 3 times 4. So this time next year, you've got a good business going, but you could get more, you could get less. Who knows? But with James Neville Taylor's Rapid Profit Machine and all the training inside there, and I will mentor you myself weekly. We'll do blitzes, we'll do content together. So it's really exciting time to join Builderall with me, Diane Hogarth. Okay, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.